Hello everyone. Black color. The next one is blue color. Red color. Yellow ochre color. Green color. The last one is yellow color. Today we draw and coloring capital letter alphabets, numbers and 2D shapes. Black color. First we draw the letter of A. The next one is B. Now we draw C. C. The next one is D. D. Blue color. Now we draw E. The letter of E. We again use blue color and now we draw numbers. 1. Now we draw 2. 3. Now we draw the number of 3. The next one is 4. Red color. Now we draw the number of 4. The next one is 5. Kids, now we draw 2D shapes. Yellow ochre color. First we draw the shape of square. The next one is circle. Green color. Now we draw the shape of triangle. Yellow color. Now we draw the shape of heart. Red color. Now we draw star. Blue color. Thank you so much for watching.